desolate out here. Sure you know what you're talking about?
Michael, I might look like a television, but I'm still a computer. Of course I'm sure.
I don't know. Nothing in sight. Shit! That's our car! And nobody's driving it!
I'm picking up electronic impulses, Michael. It's under remote control.
And he's heading right for us.
Then I suggest we move quickly.
You know something? I don't much care for being on this end of things.
That makes two of us. What was it like, Michael?
What, kid?
Seeing my body functioning without me, or you?
A little spooky, let me tell you.
Did it seem like me?
Yeah, it did and it didn't. It looked like you, but somehow it just wasn't the same.
I don't understand.
Didn't have your soul, kid. Without that, it could never be the same.
Thank you, Michael.